I am building my very first own PC setup. Here's my plan and the hurdles. Okay, now talking about PC setup, it doesn't mean like only a monitor and a PC. Just not like that. It includes literally a table, a white nice table, keyboard, mouse pad, you know, headset, mic, stand, pop filter, shock mount, literally everything. And I have to be really cautious what I'm buying with. This is my plan for the execution. Okay, now talking about my PC budget. My PC budget is going to be around 50 to 53K, right? And this is the processor that I have chosen. Ryzen 5 3500 or Ryzen 5 3300X. The motherboard would be any B450 motherboards. I am thinking about B450 Pro M2 Max. That's quite nice budget but motherboard and I like it. Talking about RAMs is G-Skills 16 GB total RAM, 8 GB two sticks, and SSD I think 240 GB. I will be buying a 240 GB SSD. A hard drive 1 TB from Seagate Barracuda, and I think that's it. Yeah, the PC cabinet might be Spec 05, which doesn't it's just have a tempered glass over the side, or I would be choosing a better one with the three fans, the RGB fan. Who knows? Okay, now that was about my PC. Now monitor would be 75 hertz. I could have gone with the 144 hertz, but I'm not going with it because I'm limited with my budget because I have to fit literally everything in my budget. Okay, so the monitor I'm going with is LG 22MP 68VQ. That's a 75 hertz monitor, 21 inches. I will be thinking about 24 inches as well, but who knows? By now, my budget only allows 21 inches because has literally made everything to go up by 2 to 3,000 up, right? That's so much. I mean, if I would have built the same thing a year ago, I would have saved literally 10 to 20K. However, let's see. Let's continue.
Bruh.
Okay, now the keyboard and mouse, I have a budget of around 3K. I will be investing 3K, not more than that. And I think I can invest 4K in buying headset, gaming headset. And the problem with the gaming headset is that I don't want a mic because I'm buying an external mic. So I don't need a headset with the big mic. I just want a normal headset, but no headphones is coming without mic. And I don't want that mic. The mic quality is literally shit. So that's the problem. Now, table, talking about table, India's furniture shop provide you good table at 5K, but this lockdown thing, and I don't know how much this lockdown will be extended, and when will you know, when will the carpenter make a good table for me, whether I will like it, it will take a month to make, and I don't have that much time, as you know, I'm a YouTuber, and yeah, so I would be buying IKEA's table that comes around 5K, around 5K, yeah, maybe 120 by 75 centimeter one. I think that would be enough, but yeah, that table is cool. It's white. I like the white color. I'm building a panda theme. It would be looking better than this. You can see the photo, but that's the closest setup that I've found that matches with my setup. It would be better, I promise. Okay, now that was my setup and my plans of execution. Okay, I forgot about GPU, right? Okay, the GPU I'm selecting is GTX 1650 Super. 3D, I don't care. I just want them to be in stock. And that's where we moved on to the problem. Okay, the problem again is coronavirus because due to the coronavirus, everything is literally out of stock. Spec 05 camera out of stock. 1650 Super, any GTX like from the Galax, any company, 3D, they all are out of stock and I can't buy it right now. And that's really, really irritating. Like, please make it in stock and whether they are in stock. And plus, they are so expensive. That's a very big problem, right? I could have gone with much better thing, but then, okay, let it be. I'm really sad about the non-stocking thing. But yeah, everything is out of stock, right? I mean, I think it's today that on 17, I'm recording this on 17 June. I don't know when you guys will be hearing this, but yeah, as of 17, Galaxy 1650 Super, Galaxy is a company, just got in stock, and I'm buying it from a Prime ABGB. It's a site that is for 16 years, and it's in Mumbai. So its service center is Mumbai, and it is a very verified site. It's very believable site for me, and plus the delivery will be very shortened because it is in Mumbai, Lamington Road. It would be a very great, I think, choice for me if I buy it from there. Plus the packaging is quite good because I don't want my. I mean, what? Okay, let's talk about my total budget. I think it's 75K. 75. Oh, okay, that would be the like the most expensive thing that I'm owning, right? Once okay, the IKEA table I'm talking about is not a pure wood table. It's like a particle wood mixture with a hexagonal shape cardboard inside it. I can show you the photo. Here it is. And do you think it's really going to be strong? But it's strong. I've seen a lot of reviews of the YouTuber using it for literally 3 to 4 years. But if I can get a wooden table instead of that IKEA table, it would be really great, right? For that, I have to wait for carpenter, and carpenter is not coming due to this coronavirus thingy, and I'm worried about that, right? Coming to the conclusion, 1650 Super from the Galax is in stock. I will be buying that. Vivo 50 motherboards, all of them are out of stock. I don't know what I will be going with. Maybe a cheaper motherboard, A320, something like that from Aeros. I can go with that. My budget allows it. I don't know why I'm talking like this. But yeah, I can buy that. The table, I think I'm going to buy IKEA. I don't have any other choice. I have to go with IKEA. I don't know about headphones. I'm just researching about headphones. If you guys know any good headphones under like 5K, please let me know. That comes without mic. I don't want mic because yeah, I'm buying a very good mic. My mic budget is 5,000. It's going to have stand, pop filter, shock mount, literally everything you need, and it is going to be USB mic because I don't know anything about the extender. I don't know. Oh my God, that's a complicated thing. But yeah, I will be going with USB mic, and it would look like that, the photo I've shown you, but more better than that. Yeah, more better. So mic done. Also, by the way, that mic, I can only buy mic if I get 90% in my 10th result, and my 10th result is like in the end of the July. I will update you guys when it arrives, but if I get 90 plus 90% plus, I will be getting 5K from my mother, and then I can invest that money in mic for you guys, just for you guys, okay? And I mean that's totally depend on my percentage, otherwise I can't buy it. But then okay, my PC is already very cool. My PC would support GTA 5 of ultra high settings, 1080p, more than 100 FPS, and the CS:GO will be like 200 FPS on ultra high settings. Everything is going to be lit. It's a very good PC. So that's my plan. I will update you guys. I will do all the things like unboxing, building PC with you guys. Please make sure you check out my second channel because that is more technical channel. So you will get more information about my PC build on that channel, Unboxing Jad. So please make sure you go there if you want to get the language would be definitely different, but I will be using English as well as Hindi. That is my regional language to speak in it. So both you guys will understand that. That's what I mean. You guys will understand it. Anyways, unboxing is going to be, I think, unboxing and building both are going to be in both the channels. Just the language will be different. I have to do double work just for you guys. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and bye.